Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio, and I hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to share my experience with three recent events. So the first event I just went through, I just got tested for the COVID, the coronavirus, and I won't know my results till a couple of days, and I actually recorded it, the whole process, and you will see that. The reason why I'm sharing this is to try to help others walk through the fear, and when you see it, hopefully you will have some better expectations. My experience is that it was okay. 10 seconds of putting the swab up my nose was worth it. And we're doing this for the community and for ourselves. So I did share that, and it's obviously a personal share. And I also will share really briefly on my experience of, some of you may not go through this, and I hope you never will. I had to go see my father and say goodbye to him at a medical facility. And first, I'm very grateful for all the frontline workers and health workers that took care of him and are still in the front lines doing this. And from my experience of going into the hospital, it's exactly what you see on TV and the news. It's full protective gear. I had to go through that myself. It was very, very difficult to say goodbye to my father. Like, we're all human, so that's... But the reason why I'm bringing it up, I just want to make sure that we are aware of what you see on TV. Those numbers, that's actually a father, a mother, a brother, a sister, a co-worker. It's a human being. Rafa was not a statistic. He was more than that. We knew him for always smiling. That's what I want to make sure. Whenever you see those numbers up there, whether it's in the United States, in China, wherever it is, those statistics represent someone that was loved or was giving love. It's a human being. So I wanted to say his name again. Rafa was the name of my father. And as this video is being recorded, he's actually in transition. He's in hospice. So my thoughts and prayers are with him. And I know my thoughts and prayers are with you and your family throughout this whole process too. I gave him a personal gift that was given to me about 10 or 12 years ago from a few clients that actually were caretakers for a lion sanctuary or big cat sanctuary in Africa. I think it was Southern Africa. And this couple gave me some strains or lion's mane hair, and I still had it, and I still have it. And I gave that to the nurse, so hopefully they could take it with him, and it can help him through this process. For me, he was he doesn't look like a lion, but he has a spirit of a lion. So I did that. We can also give to each other by reaching out to any friends, neighbors, especially older adults. You can give them a phone call to see how they're doing. Even if they're doing well, I bet you that phone call can mean a lot to them. There's a lot of loneliness going on, so we want to reach out to each other. Lastly, I would like to say is check with your city and town to see when your testing is available. Check for food banks. You can find out about that info, and that might be helpful for a friend or family, and post it on social media. We just want to make sure these resources are known to everyone in our community within our sphere of influence. That's about it, and just watch, and hopefully it will help you walk through the fears if you have fears. And that's all I have to say. Thank you for all you do. Namaste. Right now, I'm actually, as I speak, I'm in the process of getting tested. I'm in waiting, and I'll show you how it looks, so people can see. Let's see. Well, I guess you can't. I may have to flip it like this. Maybe you can see. Not sure how to flip the camera, but that's okay. So I share my experience. Yes, I have anxiety. My partner's also getting tested today, but I'm very grateful that the city I live in is doing this. And if you don't know, you should check the resources in your city to see when testing is available. I went to see my father, I guess, a day or two ago. Everything's a blur now. And so I'm glad I'm getting tested. And it's just exactly what they say. It took a lot of precaution for me to see him. Everything, everything that you see even on TV, I had to do. And so I'm still in that process as I speak right now. My father is transitioning to hospice. So I will share about that a little bit later too. But I wanted to give you a quick video of what's happening now, and just hopefully this can help people to eliminate the fear that we need to walk through the fear. It's for the better of everybody. Thank you. You can't see me, but you can hear me. They just put the testing kit on my window shield, and I'm driving. They directed me. I am next. and see how this goes. So obviously I can't. Yes, photo ID again. Okay, got the thumbs up. Alright. We do this so we can all get better. Right now I put my window. Hello.
This is information for you.
Thank you.
I'm going to have to swab in your nose, so you're going to bring down your mask.
Okay. Tell me when.
Yeah, I'll tell you when.
Okay.
And you've been through better things in life, and you've been through worse things in life, okay?
Oh, yeah.
I do have to go quite up into your nose, okay?
I did
you
that.
ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to do it for about 10 seconds. Bear with me. Breathe through your mouth. Relax. Wonderful. Excellent job. I know.
Hey, it's alright. It is what it is.
Hang on 1 second. Go ahead and raise up your window, okay?
Yeah, wow. So I think it got caught on the camera. Yep. It's not comfortable. 10 seconds. We can bear 10 seconds to help save a life, to help save ourselves. And then that's what we got to do. So that was that process there. I guess I'll keep it on.
On that paper, we'll show you how you're going to get informed of your results, okay?
Okay, am I good?
You're good.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to drive home. I'm going to say bye to my partner. She's being taken care of. So now I'm driving home, and I can put this down. So they gave me a piece of paper. I will be contacted. And that was it. So I hope you find this helpful. It's doable. And be proactive. Find out in your city when the tests are going to be done. And thank you. All right, so I'm going to turn this off. And I wish everyone the best. We can do this together. Namaste.